Welcome back to iSelf Academy Excel hack video number 1. In this video, we are about to see how to do a reverse VLOOKUP, and I'm going to use one of the basic functionality called lookup function to achieve this. I'll be creating 2 videos on this particular topic. One I'll use index and match, and now I'm using a lookup function for the first instant. When I go down to this point, so if you have a data like this and you want to achieve a result for them if the data was reversed in this pattern, so how do you do that? So let me show you how I'm going to do that. So I'm going to use the lookup functionality here. I'm going to just say equals lookup function, and then when I go for lookup function, I'll have 2 different formulas. I'm going to use the second formula here. I can even use the first formula if I wanted to. So I'm going to use the second formula here. I'm going to just give an enter here. So the first logic is it asks you what is your lookup value is. So my lookup value is this, and what is the result that you want to see here is my result will be on the next column next to the invoice. That makes my life a little more easier. I'm going to select the whole data here, absolute cell reference it by giving an F4 once and give an enter. That's going to populate my whole data in this way, and my answer will also be right. I can even achieve this in the latest format here, or whatever the format that we use in a XLOOKUP function. Actually, XLOOKUP function is maybe a copycat of lookup functionality. So I can even use a lookup function for the first formulas also. So let me choose the first formula, and I'm going to say lookup value is going to be this, and the vector is going to be the entire inverse from top to bottom, give an absolute cell reference, and I can pick up any one column here as a result. So my next column is my data. So I'm going to give an enter here, and you can see the same answer populates even in lookup function. You can use any one of the function to achieve these results. I can either use the lookup value and an array, and a lookup value, lookup vector, and the cell vector to achieve the same. This is how we can do a reverse VLOOKUP in lookup functions. This is our first hack, and I'll be seeing you with more hacks on iSelf Academy Excel hacks. Video number 1. This is Vinod signing out. Thank you so much.